Alright guys, 2005 Volkswagen Passat. So far it's pretty good. I mean, I had to revive it from the dead. It feels like something's loose, like the engine mount is loose or something. It's boosting very well. Like, this thing rides really nice. The seats are very comfortable. Has good pickup for a modern day. Keep in mind, this is a 2005, Turbo pulls really well. It's a 1.8 turbo, 5-speed. And it's a wagon. But for what it is, it drives amazing. 168,000 miles. It was owned by older people. So, but man, this thing, it moves, it skirts. I love the 1.8 turbo engine, in case you haven't figured it out. But yeah, it handles great. Like, the handling is so easy. The shifting is so smooth and easy. The pedal is, driving this car is so effortless. Like all these Mark 4s or B5s, Audi, Volkswagens, like they were made so well. Like, is the interior amazing? No. But does it drive really great, like enthusiastic? Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. And they're fairly reliable as long as you do like the timing belt, water pump, and do your regular upkeep like tires, oil. Put in good gas, not regular gas, but these cars, I think they like the more 93 premium. Yeah. It's a nice little car to put around it. It's fun. And to me, I love the way the B5 wagons look. They look so like, they have a nice wide stance to me. They're not like a muscle wagon, but they're pretty good. Like, I love these German cars. I love these B5s. So this is just like a little cruise review. This one, it stinks, because I guess the previous person, how previous owners are. They're a little stinky. But yeah, this one's clean. The leather seats are very comfy. And yeah, I know it's dark, so it's the beginning of spring. Driving with stick shift one hand. So alright, we're gonna get back, do a little review of the outside of it. Alright, y'all. This is it. This is what we're working with right here. What size are these wheels? Oh, these are 16s. Cool. Alright, so here's the 2006. It's very dirty and very smelly in here. I don't know what it smells like, but definitely needs a good cleaning. Like, look at that carpet. It's gross. And what are these? Jeez. It's like wet in here. I don't know why it's wet in here. That could be a reason why it stinks. The guy thinks it's clogged. So yeah, I don't know what type of mats these are, but I'm gonna do some new floor mats back there. Oh, I got some owner's manuals. That's pretty cool. There's that. And he like rigged up something. Yo, that is so funny. I don't think, it does work. Barely. Look at that, oh my god. It's like trying to come up. Does this one work? Oh, okay, so they work. It just looks like they don't work. Like, yo, this carpet is disgusting. I think it gets wet back here, like the whole entire seat. What is this? Yeah, the whole thing gets wet. I think it's probably from the sunroof drain. Not surprised if so. But this is hilarious. Like, he rigged up like a thing, I guess, to open a hatch. Let's see if it works. It does work. That's hilarious. That's too funny. That's too funny. But it's very ingenuine. or wherever the word is. What we got back here? We have a spare. Oh yeah, we do. So a full spare back there. That's pretty cool. And he also made this because he doesn't like people staring inside the back of his car. So yeah, that's really funny. Because I guess he doesn't like using the key. We got some rust. Yeah, we got some rust there. You know, we got some body damage over here. You know, so you already know what that means. Time to fix. Maybe even a paint job, who knows? I know how you guys enjoy my paint jobs. I don't really know if you really do. I don't really get much people watching these videos, but it doesn't matter. Still make them. The headlights are garbage. Well, at least the bulbs are. They're aimed literally at the ground. Other than the damage over there and the rust on the hatch and like the little spots on the hood, it's pretty good shape, man. Like for what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just gotta figure out the why the whole floors are wet. Of course, obviously, full detail. So, 5-speed manual, has 168,000 miles. I don't know what this is. Oh, the guy's insurance card. What's in here? Oh, okay. It's a little key. Oh, cool. I do have a key. I just need the actual electronics to it, which they're gone. Like, that's great. Maybe I can program it. Does it work? Nah, doesn't look like it works. Oh. I don't know. That's disappointing. Maybe it just works for the back only. Yeah, it works for the back. It's weird. I guess that doesn't work. But, yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And one last viewpoint. I'm just gonna keep this in the middle. Don't need to have it with me inside the house. I guess this is more of a base version. I don't know. Who knows? Yay! The oil filled, because it smelled like oil the whole time. And the ingenuity, again, like priceless. He said that popped off. I don't know what about it popped off, but maybe the hose. You know, because there sure is a lot of zip ties securing that bad boy. So maybe that's what popped off. I mean, there's like a mixture of pink at the bottom, and then there's like blue. I guess it's water. And then there's some oil leaks under here. I mean, it's a pretty cool car, you know. Obviously, I bought it. I like it. There's a little turbo ski. So annoying. But, yeah. Yeah, y'all. Oh, another ingenuity right there. So this is it, man. And he also created this. So there's that. Alright, so let me know how you think about this. Of course, you know me. I love my Volkswagens. I mean, you know. It's literally all I have, mostly. You know? So, there's that. All right, y'all. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. Would y'all like to see more videos on this, or let me know. I'll talk to y'all next time. Peace.